Hi, there are two ways how you can hide photos and videos on your Redmi Note 14. The first one is you can find and open this Google Files app, which looks like that. And now on top, you should see this Recents tab with all of your photos and videos. So for example, let's say I want to hide this photo. For that, I need to tap on three dots in the upper right corner and choose this option, Move to Save Folder. After that, you'll need to create either a pin code or pattern. In my case, it is pattern. So I'm gonna draw it. And now, as you can see, this file is moved. So it disappears from my gallery and reappears in Save folder, which you can find right here in Collections category. So just tap Save folder, then draw a pattern or enter pin code, and you'll see all of the files which you hide. So now you can also tap on three dots again and choose to move out of Save folder if you want to, and now it will reappear in your gallery. Another way how you can hide items is by going in your main gallery app. Here, choose items you want to hide. For example, I'm going to hide this one photo and one video. And now on the bottom of the display, we'll need to choose Add to Album. And on top, select Private Album. After that, tap OK button and set Privacy Protection Password. So let me draw the same pattern and redraw it. And then tap Next. So if you want to, you can sign in your Xiaomi account to be able to reset your password in case you forget it, or you can choose Not Now. And now as you can see, those items disappeared from gallery. So to find them, we'll need to switch from photos to albums. Then simply swipe down from the top and release to open private folder. Here tap OK. Then enter privacy protection password. And now you can actually check contents of your private album. So if you wanna unhide those items, just press and hold them. And on the bottom, choose Remove from Private Album. And after that, simply select where you want to transfer them. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.